We talk a lot about what if a claim happens, but what if you could prevent a claim? What if you had an ounce of control to keep a loss from happening? Now, I know you'd rather be relaxing by the pool, but silly things happen in the summer, just like any other time of the year. For starters, let's say you're going on vacation this weekend. You don't have a house sitter, so nobody's going to be home. Turn off the main shutoff valve to your water supply. Turn off the water to your house, so when you get home, you're not coming home to a surprise of broken pipes or a wet house.
Hey guys, while we're on the subject of water, below your sinks and toilets is a shutoff valve, just like this. If you haven't replaced them, or you can't remember the last time they've been replaced, spend a little money and replace them. According to the Insurance Information Institute, in 2017, 19.5% of all claims had to do with water damage and freezing. Spend a little money and replace these.
Keep your gutters clean and in good repair. This is going to save you a ton of headache in the future. Growing up, I heard my grandpa say, locks are for honest people. Consider installing some motion sensor lighting around your house and a doorbell camera. It may not be foolproof, but hopefully it'll deter that future burglar. The simplest thing you can do, make friends with your neighbors. Nothing beats having good neighbors watch out for your house when you're gone. What are you guys doing at home to prevent future claims? Leave some comments below. I want to hear from you guys. And if you're digging Hawaiian Trip Friday, hit that share button.